I said 40% of Mount Kenya is in Meru. Why are we not consider the main stakeholders of the mountain? I said in a wedding, you don't eat the whole cake alone. Studio. Yeah. You wait for your piece, you are given, and you appreciate what you are given. But then you don't prevent the one who is giving the cake from giving to others. So the president has a right to share this cake and see other people in the lake, in the coast, and other, so long as he does not forget that we are also entitled to it here. Yes.
From inception, the DEP committed to engaging constructively with the national government as a means of securing progress for our people. Our recent participation in high-level engagement with the national government yielded important pledges targeting key development needs in Meru. With no elections scheduled for 2025, this is a pivotal year for implementation, not politicking. We cannot afford to lose another 2.5 years. The DEP is in government to secure development gains for our people.